Jamb 2019 Principles of Accounts, past question number 4. You should use the information below to answer question number 4. In our information we have sales, which is 10,900. We have stock as at 1st of January, which is 1,000. We have stocks as at 31st December, which is 2,000. We have purchases, which is 4,000. We have returns outward, which is 800. We have returns inward, which is 600. We have carriage outward, which is 300. We have carriage inward, which is 200. And all these figures are in Naira. Question 4 says we should find the gross profit. So we have a ledger form like this. And we're going to capture the determination of gross profits, okay, for the period. And each side of the ledger, the debit side, this is debit side, and this is the credit side of the ledger. Each side of the ledger is going to have a Naira sign. Now our gross profit is gotten by sales. Profit is gotten by sales. That is gross profit is equals to sales minus cost of goods sold. That is giving us gross profit. So now on this side, on the credit side of the ledger, we're going to have our sales. We're going to have our sales, and our sales in this question is 10,900. We're going to have returns inward. Returns inward will be subtracted from your sales. Our return inward in this question is 600. To be subtracted in accounts. When you bracket, it means you are lessing, you are subtracting. So this will give us 10,300. When we subtract this, so this becomes our net sales. Now we have our stock, opening stock. Opening stock, which is stock as at 1st of January, is 1,000. We are going to put purchases. Our purchases is 4,000. Included in purchases, we're going to add carriage inward. We're going to add carriage inward. Our carriage inward is 200. When we add this together, we have 4,200. Having gotten 4,200, we now less returns outward from this. Returns outward. Our returns outward is 800. So like I said, when you bracket in accounts, it means you are subtracting. So when we less returns outward from this, we're going to have 3,400. This 3,400 will be added back to this 1,000. That will give us 4,400. This 4,400 is cost of goods. Cost of goods. available for sale. Cost of goods available for sale. Now we're going to list our closing stock. Closing stock, which is stock as at first of December, which is closing stock end of the year. We're letting our closing stock of 2,000 naira. So by the time we less this 2,000 from this, we're going to have 4,400. Now, this 4,400 is called cost of goods sold or cost of sales. Now, to get our gross profit, we're getting 2,400. This 2,400 becomes our cost of goods sold. Now, to get our gross profit, our credit side is higher than our debit side. So that is why we're making a profit. Assuming it went the other way around, we will not be talking about profits. So since the debit side, the credit side has total of 10,300. This 10,300 is greater than 2,400. So when you less this from this, you have 7,900. So this becomes our gross profit. So our gross profit is 7,900, option B. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.